Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to the review of the Infinix S4, the same phone that I unboxed in my last video. So if you haven't watched it, kindly go and look it up. So without further ado, let's go straight to business. Alright, the Infinix S4 took approximately 30 seconds to boot up and load into the user interface. And the first thing you should notice about this device is the nice 6.2 inch screen equipped with a HD Plus display. And there's this cutout at the top of the phone. The Infinix call it the water drop notch. There's a camera on the notch and there's a little speaker at the top of the phone. The front camera is 32 pixels, which is quite interesting. At the right side of the phone is the volume buttons and a power button, and at the back of the phone is the triple camera setup and a quad flashlight. The fingerprint scanner sits beside the triple camera and there's the Infinix brand name. At the left side of the phone we have the SIM card tray, which houses the dual SIM card and the memory card slot. At the top of the phone we have nothing, and at the bottom of the phone we have the speaker, the micro USB port for charging, an opening for the microphone, and the 3.5mm audio jack. I like the twilight purple color on this device. It adds some extra quality to its design. In the software department, this device runs on Android 9.0 and the Infinix skin is called XOS, and it operates on XOS 5.0, whose code name is XOS Cheetah. And I like the display and the way it renders its animation. It feels really good for a phone of its price range. Memory: this device comes with 32GB of RAM and 3GB of ROM, although there is a higher variant of this device that comes with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM. The processor on this device is the MediaTek 6272 processor with a 2.0 GHz clock speed. It supports 2G, 3G and 4G LTE internet connection. This device has a lightweight. Although it's equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, it still weighs 155 grams. It has a sleek design and both the front and rear surface of this device are made of glass. Alright, let us check out the sounds from this device and know about the sound quality of the phone. Pretty nice. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we test the camera on this device? Of course. This picture was shot on the selfie camera, and the other is the picture shot with portrait mode on the selfie camera. This picture was shot on the regular rear camera, and this picture was shot on the wide angle lens of the rear camera. This is a 1080p video that was shot on the rear camera, and this is a shaky video to test its image stabilization. Alright, that's all for the review of the Infinix S4, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Peace out.